Now, this is a short little video that will walk you through the steps necessary in order for you to create a correlation using Excel. I have just a very simple set of numbers here, variable A and variable B. In other places we talk about the relationship between variables and the idea of causation and correlation, so we won't go into that here. We just have these two variables. One helpful thing to do first before you actually run the correlation is to create a scatter plot. And that will show you what we call the shape of the data. And so in order to do that, you highlight the two variables. You go up here to charts and to scatter. We want the marked scatter. And that shows you what these data sets look like. You have some outliers here. Everything else looks like it's in, shows a fairly strong correlation. One thing that you can do is click on one of these variables and you can add a trend line. A linear trend line is what we want. And we'll show you the general shape or the direction of the variables. Now, to find out what the actual variables are, or the correlation is, you hit the equal sign, which is your way of telling Excel that you're going to do some calculations. You type in correlation, you'll just type the first three letters before you get C-O-R-R-E-L, which stands for correlation, and asks you for two arrays. This array here is array 1. Hit the comma. Click on array 2 and highlight that. Make sure that there is an open and closed parentheses in the formula. Hit return, and there you have it. The correlation between variable A and variable B is 0.621 and so on, which marks for a rather strong correlation.